Hello friends, this is me Nishat and so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing 16brand and Mia YouTubers Collaborations Limited Edition. It includes RU16 lipstick and their best-selling One Swipe eyeshadow. The lipstick's packaging is like a chocolate bar's wrapper. The backside includes all the product information that looks like food nutritional values. A cardboard cylinder protects the lipstick inside. The lipstick bullet has matte finish and a metal case. It claims to be a creamy matte lipstick with smooth application for a long-lasting color payoff. The shape of the lipstick is like a crayon that's rounded and then tapers to the flat point in middle. It makes application easy and precise. Pink Nougat is a pink-brown mauve shade. Its scent is like candy. Texture is smooth and creamy. The color is buildable but it transfers a little. Now my favorite product, One Step Shadow. It claims that mix and match two colors in 1 step and 3 seconds. The packaging is like a magazine. The shade Hey My Day is a combo of glam pink and pink brown. It comes in a clear plastic case that is portable. The backside has all the product information. The case seems to be of cheap plastic. You guys can see two shimmer shades in a pan together that has warm tone to the pink and brown. The brush that it comes with is a dense brush, but its bristles are not cut evenly. So, you have to swipe it one direction on the pan to get that one swipe eyeshadow look. On rubbing the eyeshadow a couple of times, we get this soft and subtle gradient look. The shimmer is not prominent, but when light hits it, it sparkles from different angles. On the eyes, it gives a very subtle look. I would recommend to use eye primer before it. I think this shade will look better with monolids more. Also, there is no fallout. Now I'm applying brown shadow on ends of my under eye area and pink to rest of the eye for smoked look. To be honest, it's quite easy to use. It applies and blends easily, but one needs multiple swipes to build the color, and the brush doesn't suit every eye or especially creased eyes. All in all, it gives a wearable and beautiful look. The color is beautiful. I will rate the lipstick 5/5 and eyeshadow 4/5. This is Mila Neha Junsu signing off. Bye.